So for my IM, I linked it to my teacher website. So up here you can just press interactive module and it'll show up. It introduces what's happening, and I made sure to include that parents can feel free to join their student to complete it because most kindergartners can't read or type, so it would be like a parent-child activity. Right here I have my standard and how we're going to connect it, directions for IM, so I made sure to be clear about you're going to watch the 3 videos, complete the activities, and you can join your student to assist in reading or enable the read aloud settings. And then right here is a Let's Go button for part 1. And up here I made sure to explain part 1 is 3 videos, watch and listen closely. My first video is a YouTube video. I thought it was a really great source to just introduce the topic, and it would be really fun to just start by watching a video to ease in. The second video is my iMovie that I made that has much more vocabulary, sight words, specifics regarding to my activities. And then this third video is also a continuation of that, but it's a Powtoon. So this has specific examples of who are community leaders and how they help us. And then part 2, you click just right here. So now it's time to practice. Here are 3 activities. Let's do it. And in general, community leaders is an extremely basic topic, even for kindergartners. So I really made activity 1 required. It's a quiz. You fill in the blank and you have flashcards and all that stuff. But for activity 2 and 3, it's a Quizlet of those sight words and pictures from my iMovie and Powtoon. And since they're pretty similar, I made them a choice. So you can do activity 2, which is a Quizlet, or activity 3, because it's both a matching game, just one is with pictures and one is with sight words. Over here, we have just a little conclusion. We're supposed to wrap it up. And right here, I have a presentation of just a little conclusion of our local government and community, because I really wanted to connect it to the state standard, which was foundations of government and local government. And I made sure to put in this connection piece about how community leaders are the foundation of our local government, a review of what a community leader is, who they are, and of course, they're essential to government and how we live. Right here I have a little wrap up. Wow, we just learned a lot about community leaders. Community leaders are, again, foundations to our local government, connecting to that social studies standard. And I have a little note here that we just finished, now you're a master. So that is my IM. There are 2 parts. So part 1 is the intro, state standards and everything, and the video lessons, and part 2 is the activities and the formative assessments. So yeah, that's about it.